In this video, I will show you how to use ShareX, one of the best free screen recorders. And we will be focusing on main tasks. And the main tasks are, we want to record our screen and get a video. Then we want to save that video on our computer. And because ShareX also allows you to save your screen recordings on your Google Drive or on your Dropbox, but we will be focusing on saving our video file on our computer. Another important thing we might want to do is a scrolling capture. And this is when you want to get the screenshot of an entire web page, because normally the screenshot is whatever is on the screen and the web pages are normally very long. What if we want to take the screenshot of the entire web page? For example, you are a teacher and you want to share some resource with your students, some article, some useful blog post. So in that case, that screen capture is called scrolling capture, where ShareX will actually scroll the web page and take the image of the entire web page as a single image. Then another very important feature in ShareX is image combiner, and you can easily combine two or more images, and I will show you how you can do this very quickly. And the last but the most important part of this video is I will show you how you can edit your screen recording. Because what happens is we record our screen, but then we have to cut bits and pieces from the beginning, from the end, in the middle of our video. And most of you have this question that how to edit our screen recording. And I will quickly show you how you can edit your screen recording and get the final video. So we have a lot to cover. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is ShareX icon. I double click on that. Now before you start doing screen recording, you want to set a folder where your screen recordings and images will be saved. In the first video I explained how to set the path and everything, but because path is important and you won't be able to follow this video if you don't know where your screen recordings are going. To set the path, you click on application settings and paths. Then you click on this browse and you select the folder where you want to save your screen recordings. I have selected a folder on my desktop, as you can see here, desktop and then ShareX My Files. This is the folder, ShareX My Files. And then ShareX will create a folder in this format, year and month. And in this folder, ShareX will save all your screenshots and screen recordings. Once this is done, then we want to record our screen. Now, let us say I want to record the video while I am explaining this PDF to my students. To do that, I click on ShareX, I click on Capture, and then I click on Screen Recording. And now I have this dotted rectangle. Whatever window I want, I can record. So I want to select this PDF. So when this rectangle is covering this PDF, I click left mouse button. On the lower left corner, my screen recording will start. Now I can minimize this, and the other thing I can see is that there is a red dot here. If I hover over this, I will see click to stop recording. So I start explaining this, whatever I want, and when I want to stop the recording, I simply click on this red button. I will see this message and the latest file will be highlighted, and you will notice that your final file may not be the one at the end, but it is now highlighted. So this is my video. So let us see how it looks. So I double click on that, and as you can see that it is a 36.7 second video, but I want to cut this video. I want to edit this video in the beginning. I don't want to include this part, and similarly at the end there might be some problem, but it's not. So this is something we will be looking at the end of this video, how to edit your screen recording. But this is how basically you record your screen. Very simple. So by default, ShareX tries to upload your file to cloud. But if you want to save it to your local computer, you click on this after capture tasks, and now you will see that I have highlighted three things here. Add image effects, because I want to add few effects to my screen capture images, which I have talked about in the other video you can watch. And the second thing I have highlighted is save image to file. And as you can see that only these three things are bold. Save image to file. And this is the thing which is controlling the behavior of your recorded file. And the recorded file will be saved to your computer in a folder of your path. The last thing is show file in Explorer, and this is the thing which will highlight the latest file which is now saved in your computer. So if you check these two and you set the path, then your file will be saved to your desired location and it will not be lost, and it will be highlighted immediately after the saving. You can immediately rename it. And now let us see how scrolling capture works. This is a research article and this web page is quite long. I want to capture this as a single image. To do that, I click on capture in ShareX and then scrolling capture, and then I select this web page. When I see this dotted rectangle, I left click my mouse, then this window appears, and now I click on start scrolling capture. And as you can see that the software is scrolling and now it has created this. And if you see this problem that the entire web page has not been scrolled, although it appeared that it was scrolling, but the output is not correct, you click on this capture once again, select window and then select this window once again, and now this time click on start capture. It will scroll it again, and this time we get this full page scrolled as a single image, as you can see. So I noticed that sometimes this little issue appears in this program. So this is the solution. You simply click once again, select the window and start capture. Very simple. So let me close this now. And now the next topic is how to combine images. To do that, we click on tools in ShareX, and then there is this tool image combiner. I click on that, then I click on add, and now I can select the images I want to add. So let's see this image and this image I want to add. So I select both of these by pressing the Ctrl or Shift button and I click open. These two will be in this dialog box now. I can select this and move this up, and then finally I click on this combine images and save upload. So I click on that, and as you can see that this is the final image highlighted, which is the combination of these two. You can double click and you can have a look. So this is how you can combine images when you are creating content using ShareX. Now the last topic is how to edit your screen recording. This was our video, 39-second video, and I want to edit this. I want to cut from the beginning up to maybe this point, which is around 11 seconds, as you can see. To do that, we need a program which is also free, which is called HitFilm Express. So this is the icon. I have installed this program. You have to create an account with HitFilm Express, and then you will get this free video editor. They will send you a link and you click on that and it will be installed. And now I click on that, and now the program has opened. It will ask you to upgrade, but you don't have to upgrade. I am using this program HitFilm Express for last 4 years without upgrade, and you can do almost anything regarding video editing in HitFilm Express. And now I click on create a new project, and then in this you keep everything same and just double check that your width is 1920 pixels and height is 1080, because this is the size for YouTube and most academic videos as well. So these are some settings. There are templates available. You click on this templates and you select this 1080p Full HD 25 frame per second, or you can select 24 or whatever you want. I mostly select 24 or 25, and then you click on this OK. And now you will see this video editor. On the left hand side you will see this media. There are some other selections like control, history, text. You click on this media and click on import, and now this is my folder and this is my video which I want to edit. So I select this video and I click open. Now I can see my video on this side, and this is called timeline. Now I click on this video and I drag it in this area just like that, and at the left corner where there is one needle, you can say, or thread, you simply bring it here and release your left mouse button. You will see some message like this: do you want to change the editor sequence settings to match the clip? And normally we say no. Now this is our video, and because this video settings are a little bit different, so what you can do is you can click here on the right corner, you can resize it a little bit, and then you place it here, click shift and bring it closer to this size. So in this way you can resize your video clip. And now I want to cut this, so I simply bring this needle, clicking and dragging towards right about 11 seconds, just like that, where disappears, which I want to cut about 11 a portion of 12th second. And then I click on this blade and I hover over this thread or needle, and when it becomes red I left click my mouse button. Now this video part has been cut. Now I select on this arrow and select this part and press delete, and now I drag this towards left. By clicking on this arrow in the middle I can watch the video. The video will be played, as you can see, and I can see that the video is fine. There is nothing to cut. For example, I want to cut in between. I can simply select the position with this needle, select this blade, cut it here, and if I want to remove from this point to this point, I again cut here. Then I click on this arrow, I select this part which I want to cut, I press delete. So in this way you can cut in the middle. Then I can drag this to join these two parts. Once I am happy with my editing, with my cutting, pasting, everything, and I am ready to export my video or prepare my final video, I click on this export and to file, click on that, and then let's say on my desktop I want to save this video, so I click on desktop and now I give it a name, my final screen recording, and I press save. It will show me this message that if you have used some paid feature there will be a watermark, but because I have not used any paid feature, there are some paid feature. I don't want to go into details, so don't bother about this message. Simply click continue and it will show you starting. So the video editor is starting to export your video. Then you will see a thumbnail appears here. Now your video is being prepared. It will take some time depending on the power of your computer, because this video is very small. So within 5-6 seconds it is almost 35%. So within next 20 seconds it will be complete, and we will be back when it is complete. So it took about 40 seconds to finish this, and you will see this finished message. Now you can save if you want to save, file save or save as, but I don't want to do that because my purpose was to make this video. So I close this and I discard, and on my desktop I have this video, my final screen recording video. So I double click on that, and as you can see that now my final video doesn't have any unwanted things. So this is how you can edit your screen recording using HitFilm Express, which is a fantastic free video editor. And that is it for today. So I hope you liked this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you next time.